As far as our creams, they'll either have estrogen or estrogen and progesterone, or sometimes just progesterone. But in any case, use the cream the same way. In general, the cream's designed to use 2 full pumps. Don't cheat on the pumps. So you want to use 2 full pumps of the cream. It sounds like a lot, but it's actually a teeny amount. And you're going to rub that into any area of your body that doesn't have hair follicles, except over the breasts. Most women end up putting it in their wrists or the inside of their forearm because it's a very convenient place. And you don't have to do half and half. You can if you want, but it doesn't really make any difference. And the idea is you put 2 pumps in your hand, rub it into the part of your body, for instance, the inside of your forearms or inside of your wrists, until it's all rubbed in. And that will absorb pretty quickly. Within a half an hour, it's pretty much all in. And at that point, if you want, you could take a shower, go swimming. You also don't have to worry, it's not gonna rub off on someone else. So let's say you do it at bedtime, which is usually when we recommend using it. It's okay to get in bed with your spouse or your significant other. Even if you snuggle up, the cream from your wrist is not going to get on your significant other and cause issues for them, so you don't have to worry about that. One interesting anecdote, we did have one patient whose dog apparently loved the taste of this cream, and so she was constantly having to fight with the dog as it was trying to lick the cream off right after she put it on. So for that individual, we ended up having to change her to pills, because, you know, pets are pets. And actually, just as another interesting anecdote, I had a different patient who told me that she had dropped one of the pills in her, the DHEA pills, and I guess her cat ate it and absolutely fell in love with it, and now bugs her every time she opens the bottle of DHEA because she wants to be fed another one. So, you know, and our pets are great, but sometimes they can be a pain in the neck. But apart from that, it's very easy to use and very safe.